In this tutorial, I'll be running through the Quill menu and what you can find in each of the 6 tabs. The first tab is the gallery. In the gallery, you can view Quill scenes made by featured artists. The transform tab is where you go to adjust settings for objects that you want to transform or translate. You can hide and show the gimbal, you can adjust the snapping steps, or you can flip objects. The third tab is the Tools tab. The Tools tab is where you can switch your current selected tool that you'll be using with your dominant hand, such as paintbrushes. Here you'll find the Paint tool, the Line tool, the Color tool, Eraser tool, Selection, Grab, Thickness or Thinness, Nudge, or Optimizing. At the bottom, you can hide or turn on guides, turn on a brush grid helper, open up the button map, or access online tutorials. The fourth tab is the Color tab. In the Color tab, you can change your brush color or background color. The fifth tab is the Timeline, which can be condensed to a layers palette if you don't need the animation tools. The final tab is Documents. Within Documents, you can open Quill scenes or import Quill scenes. You can save your current scene, capture an image, record video or GIFs, export a 3D file, export to Facebook Spaces, or adjust your settings. This is also where you go to create a new blank Quill scene or quit Quill.